My sister and I participated in a math competition together. I deliberately wrote an incorrect answer on the test. I didn't do this out of respect for my sister, because I noticed that no matter what I wrote, she would immediately copy it. She always pressed the buzzer half a second faster than me. She even turned the tables, accusing me of copying her work. Sure enough, the moment I finished writing the wrong answer, she quickly buzzed in. She didn't realize she had fallen into my trap. Once the competition began, I noticed something peculiar. Whenever I finished writing my solution steps, my stepsister could always state the answer half a second before me. Moreover, both our solution steps and results were identical. I suspected my stepsister was peeking at my test paper. But because I was half a second slower, the audience instead believed I was the plagiarizer. Left isolated and helpless, I quietly revised my own solution approach. I employed an advanced mathematical method I taught myself outside of class, unexpectedly. My sister immediately claimed she had another solution. The steps she wrote on the blackboard were identical to my self-taught method. I was utterly stunned. I couldn't believe my sister had also learned this advanced knowledge. I raised my objection on the spot. Yet many classmates stepped forward to vouch for her. Finally, when the audience saw both answers match again, everyone concluded I had plagiarized my sister again. The entire audience demanded I withdraw immediately. The judges insisted I provide proof of my innocence. In desperation, I proposed challenging all 100 final round problems myself. Unexpectedly, my sister immediately declared she would join the challenge too, fearing she might mimic me again. I requested a partition be placed between us. My sister-in-law agreed to this arrangement, and we publicly made a wager. The loser would not only admit to plagiarism, but also kneel and apologize. After the challenge began, I had just finished writing out a dozen questions. The audience below the stage started gasping. Our answers were still completely identical. People began accusing me even more fiercely. I couldn't comprehend how my sister-in-law managed this. Tears of injustice welled up in my eyes. Heartbroken, I set down my pen and stopped solving problems. Suddenly, my sister-in-law froze too, unable to write another word. Seeing this, I finally found a way to expose the truth. I swiftly wrote an incorrect answer on the board. Sure enough, the very next second, my sister-in-law picked up her pen and began copying it.